I'm hungry, you're hungry. Welcome to the channel. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So we're gonna get straight to the point because I haven't uploaded in a couple days. So I already cut up my pork chops. I removed the fat and stuff like that. You can still see a little bit of fat, but it's okay because I want to keep a little bit for flavor. I added some garlic powder. All the measurements are on the screen. Some paprika, sprinkle. I know I didn't do measurements on the actual thing, but I have like an idea of how much I put. I did get all these seasonings from Whole Foods. If you guys do want to know where I got these little seasonings from, and yes, this is all organic, but it's okay because when you switch to the organic side, some videos is gonna be straight organic seasoning, other videos is gonna be regular seasoning, and that's just because some videos is like my selling days, and other videos are just like me cooking and stuff like that, like for myself. So I did add salt and black pepper previously, but not previously, but after the black pepper scene. I do have all the measurements on the screen, so don't even worry about that. I did put olive oil on the lamb chop before I did start not cooking them, but like seasoning them, just so I could stick add some flavor. Till then was really thin because my girl Yanni called me, so I had to pick up the call, but we kept recording. Anyways, so you make sure everything has some seasoning. Make sure that flavor is getting in tune. You want every seasoning there, like very much giving flavor. I did wish I did this overnight though. Like I left this seasoning overnight, but it's okay, and over time we will. But I did add more seasoning just because it was my first time trying lamb chops as well as making it. So I was just like, okay. And the reason why you see the color changing was because I was like trying to test out like what color would look best, and we kind of figure out a little bit. So I left it covering for about like 4 to 5 minutes. I did have it like on the heat of like 5, 6, just because I was trying to get that crispy thing, and I was really trying to get the flavor that's on the meat on the pan. And the reason why I did not I didn't put no butter on the pan yet, did not put no oil, just because I wanted to collect flavor and start collecting that little crispy outside that I personally really like. I love a little crispy chicken, soft on the inside. We love that. After cooking on the opposite side for about the same time, I threw in half a butter, and I made sure the bottom of the pan gets all the butter. And the reason for it is because, as you can see, like some of the seasoning is now on the pan, which is what I wanted before. I added some butter, and you don't want your thing burning, so butter also helps. It also helps it with flavor. Like there's so many different flavors combination that's going on a little bit after you wait for both sides to have that crispy edge. And I only did half of butter just because I am gonna add more butter later on, and I didn't want to like overflow with butter because it's a lot of cholesterol. I think it's cholesterol and just a lot of things that we're not really doing. FYI, I do recommend for you to put the fire like at least on a 3, just because I low key regret not doing that, just because I felt like it made the butter like kind of burn up a little bit faster, and I feel like it would have been better if it didn't. So yeah, so like just FYI, I feel like you should definitely lower it down a little bit. I kind of realized after I was like, yeah, let me lower this down. I flipped them over, and this side is not as crispy as the other side, just because I'm constantly gonna be flipping, and this is gonna be the side that when I put it in the oven, it's gonna be facing that side. So the other side is really giving the crispy thing because it's collecting all the flavor. It was the first one that was down on the pan. So I'm putting all the butter on top. Toss, 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 toss. And if you haven't already, make sure you like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel for daily uploads. I know I've been 4 days now upload, but your girl family came up, so we had to chill on uploading, but we back and better. I don't know what's gonna be my school schedule for uploading, but I am trying to upload every single day. Make sure y'all comment down below if y'all in school, and what time do you want me to upload. Like, do you want this still 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock videos? Do you want 12 p.m. videos? Like, what kind of video time y'all want? Make sure y'all comment down below or hit me up on Instagram. Send me recommendations on Instagram of what y'all want me to cook. I take all recommendations into consideration, and I love trying new things. There's a couple things I don't like, but I'm like, okay, let me stop being a baby and just eat these foods. So yeah, I'm just making sure the butter gets on top. It's really giving the color. I'm loving it, and it's really getting the outside taste, the outside color I want. Personally, I like my meat fully cooked, no pink inside, fully cooked. So I'm making sure I get that fully cooked thing, but also getting that crispy thing in the background. This is how it's looking, really up close and personal. Follow me on Instagram, like me on Facebook. Facebook watch videos dropping today. Today. It's going to be different. It's going to include captions. There's going to be some differences from my YouTube channel. Like me on social media. Like me. Because you know I'm on it. Got TikTok, I'm on that. You got Facebook, I'm on that. Got Instagram, I'm on that. Shit. What am I not on? Stop with me and follow me on all my social media platforms. Now 100 followers on Instagram? Question mark? Go follow me. Don't be a hater. Like the video. Okay, so I'm really doing the same thing for a couple minutes because I don't know. I don't regret doing this. Add a little glaze. Look how it looks when I flip it over. It looks so crispy. It looks so good, so delicioso. You will think it wouldn't look like that, but it does. It does. You know how to mess up the kitchen a little bit. You know that. Yeah, I keep doing that. Whatever, mixing that up, little up and close. So I would probably like a minute or so, and when I let it rest, I'm just letting it cook and just collect as much as it needs to for now. So I'm letting it rest there, cook it. So the next thing you're going to do, you're actually going to throw it in the oven. Like I said before, I like my thing crispy. So you're going to put it on a separate pan. You're going to paste it down. You're going to throw it in the oven. The oven temperature is on the screen. Boom, right there. Y'all see it. Y'all like it. I left it there for about 30 to 45 minutes, but I'm not gonna lie, I was like kind of checking it. But honestly, it depends on you. It depends how long you want it for. It depends what's your taste bud, how cooked you want it. It was so tender for me, which I love tender things. So you're actually gonna do a butter pan again. You know I gotta give you a slow motion. It's not even slow motion. It's like fasting. But the melting butter can, y'all know what time it is. It's melting butter can. Satisfying videos. And comment down below if y'all want to see more satisfying videos on my social media platforms. Because me personally, I love satisfying videos. It's so peaceful. You know, it's a cooking page, so that's my little job or whatever. To give y'all satisfying things. Comment things y'all find satisfying with food. Because I have a whole bunch, and if I like your comment, we're on the same page. So you're going to add some garlic powder. So this is what you're going to throw on top of your lamb chops when everything is ready. It just adds like a little buttery taste, garlic, a little flavor to it. It was my first time making it, and I have seen videos of people not doing this particular step, but try adding the used one. So I was like, why not make a sauce for it and make it taste better? So you're gonna add some salt. You're not gonna go too crazy. It looks OD, but I promise you it wasn't OD. And FYI, every single time that you put a seasoning, make sure you mix it, especially when it comes to something like this. I didn't use too much butter, so I had to be really careful. And I forgot to say this, but I did add a little bit of water to it just so it won't stick to the pan. And I really didn't want to stick into the pan. So this is me actually setting up the plate. I wish YouTubers would do this part. I'm not no hater, but I wish people would do this part because I feel like you want a pretty plate. Like even if you're working from home, or like even if it's a plate for you and your family, like you want to give it a little nice presentation. So I just show y'all a clip of how I personally did my presentation. It looks like a mess now, but the final result is really, really, really good, which I like. And it was like really surprising. I was really testing it, whatever. So, you barely see lamb chops here because I did cook some for my boyfriend. We did not have the same plate because he wanted to add different things, but in the end he wanted some of my plain. Playing. But anyways, I added the sauce on top, added it on the plate, just 'cause I wanted both sides to get it, so I put in one thing. The rice look crazy right now. I don't know what happened with the rice. To be honest, I think the rice didn't taste bad, but like it didn't stick to it wasn't as fluffy as I wanted it to be. So I added both. So I decided to do a little crossing just because I feel like that is so pretty. It lines up so pretty. I wish I turned this to like the plate to the side a little bit just so I can give you a better angle on the food. I did cook the rice separately. You're gonna see some cooked spinach. I did that separately, and the shrimp that you're gonna see coming up. I use the same seasoning for the lamb chops on the shrimp. So yeah, so I decided to put like the cooked spinach on all around on the opposite side, just because as you can tell, like the rice was a little messy. And I'm like, damn, like I need to take pictures of this. I'm uploading this. You know what I mean? Presentation is everything. So let me think of how to do it. So like you're gonna see me struggle with the shrimp OD because I had to make things pretty. But let's be realistic here, like this is easy, but I like making things pretty and it takes a lot of work. And I'm showing y'all my process. Obviously I thought of a trick of like just putting like the tail under the lamb chop so it can actually stay. And fun, like when you do things like this, make sure like your shrimp is going the same direction. When they go in the same direction, it gives it more like an organized look, which we love. We love when it's organized. I did not put parsley on top because I feel like it looked nice already. If you haven't already, like this video, comment down below and let me know if y'all like me doing things like this and just showing y'all how I actually do the presentation, because I know a lot of people don't do this. If y'all like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up this video. Don't be a hater. Subscribe. How you watching but you haven't subscribed? Like, follow me on all social media platforms, and make sure y'all text me recommendations if y'all don't. If I'm stuttering OD. Bye y'all.